To start off part 3 of the tutorial, I will teach you how to upload a file. To upload a file in the room, click on plus insert button, and you can choose to insert a blank page, which will be another page just like this one, a file from the computer, a URL, or even do screen capture. In this tutorial, I will upload a Word document. So I click on File from Computer, which will bring me to a window where I can type in the URL of the file or search the file in the various files that I have. In this tutorial, I will upload the Branching Out Florist Word document. So I click on the file I want to upload and click on Open. And in here would show you the process in which Vyew uploads the file for you to the room, and it's going to be done right now. As you can see, Vyew has successfully uploaded the document in the room, and the page name changes to page 001 Branching Out Florist Doc-X. And beside the page name, you have the unsync button, which means that, as I explained in part 2, in unsync mode, other users can freely change pages without any restrictions, while in sync mode, users can only view the page you are viewing currently right now. And to change unsync mode to sync, press the unsync button and turn on sync mode. Now, users can only view the same page, which is this page. This usually only applies to the creator or the leader of the room, which is me in this case. The leader of the room has a star on it, shows that they are the admin for the room. Unlike Google Docs, Vyew does not allow its users to edit the document. Users can only comment on the document after reading it, which is more of discussing the content in the document. And to comment on a part of the document, click on the pencil button located at the left side of the screen, which is right here. Click on the sticky notes, and then your cursor will change to a sticky note cursor, where you can point on something and that thing should be the thing that you want to comment on. Say if I want to comment on creative brief, I would click the sticky notes cursor in here and type your comment on it. What is this? And you can comment in voice too. Then to finish up your comment, you can press Shift Enter or press Save. Your comment will immediately be stored on the right side of the screen, and people can view it. And other users may reply to your comment, like this. Press reply, and you will get to comment again. There, and the comment is saved as a reply. You can comment on multiple sections of the paper. Say you want to comment on support statement. You click on support statement and comment some more. There, and the comment shows. As you hover over the sticky notes cursor on the document, it will link you to the comment which corresponds to the sticky note. And that is how you comment on a part of the document. To delete a comment, press the eraser button and hover your cursor over the sticky notes and click on it, then confirm to delete. Yes, and the comment immediately gets removed from the right side of the page. And you can delete as many comments as you want and paste as many comments as you want, but only the admin is allowed to do this. other than commenting, you can also draw something on the document. And you click on the pen, and maybe if you want to draw a smiley face, you can draw it right here and tell your members that they're doing a good job. And you can delete it using the same method as you delete a sticky note comment. Click on eraser and delete every line. And another thing you can do would be to add text. This is not editing the document, but you can only add text in certain parts of the document. Say if I want to add a text in here, and after you type, you can click save. And to fix your fonts, if you wanted it bold or italic or underlined, you can do it right here. Press save to save, and you can delete it the same method as you delete lines or sticky notes. This concludes the end of the third part of this tutorial. And for a recap, at the first part of the tutorial I covered the introduction to View and signing up to use the software. And in the second part of the tutorial I covered the interface of Vyew and how to set up a new room and how to invite people to the room. In the third part of the tutorial I covered how to upload files, pictures, or documents, and the tools that the users of Vyew in the room may use. And we have come to the end of the tutorial. By now, I hope that you are able to conduct online meetings in Vyew and be familiar with the tools that the software has to offer. If you have trouble understanding some of the parts in the tutorial, feel free to rewind. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial.